Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Rank Mantra. It's me Sajita. Hope all are doing well. Today I am going to share a motivational video. Okay friends, let's move on. If you like this video, like it, subscribe my channel, touch bell icon, set the option all so that you can watch my videos once I post. Also, join our Telegram group. Link is in the description. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. Hi friends, today I am going to give some practical steps that will enhance your energy levels, or otherwise we can say how to stay positive throughout. The first point is be conscious of your thoughts. Can you imagine how many thoughts are going on in an average adult brain in a day? It is approximately 60,000 thoughts. And there are of course good thoughts and bad thoughts. We should have control over our thoughts. That is, we have to focus on our good thoughts, otherwise we can say we have to control our negative thoughts. It is practically impossible to control all the negative thoughts. But remember one thing, whatever we focus will grow. So, be conscious of your thoughts. The next point is make meditation a part of your life. That is, every day you have to spend at least 20 to 30 minutes on meditation. Okay, on prayer, meditation, whatever you like. So meditation can help to enhance your immunity level. Breathing exercise, that is pranayama, is a good way of enhancing your lung capacity, especially nowadays during this COVID pandemic situation. Pranayama will help you to heal most. Okay, so you have to make meditation a part of your life. That is, you can do it after getting up or before going to sleep. So that is the second point. And the next point is be conscious of what you eat. That is, food is a very important source of energy. Our energy levels can be raised by the food we eat. So we have to remember in mind, we have to eat to live, not live to eat. We should have a balanced meal daily. Okay, that's a next point. And coming to the other point, make home and workplace energizing. That is very important. The quality of the day is largely based on the start we get in a day. If we are starting a day with positive energy, the whole day will be productive. The home environment should be peaceful. In it, there should not be any arguments with the family members. If we are having a negative environment in the home, it will affect us in adverse way. It will spoil our mood. Like that, in the workplace also, the environment should be very friendly so that we can do more work and be in more work that will make you so productive and will help you to ease the work what you are doing. So what you have to do is make your home and workplace energizing. Next is go physical. All emotions are physical. All our emotions are expressed in our body. So this quote is very much important. A sound mind in a sound body. Okay, if we are having a sound body only, then we will have a sound mind. If we are having so many ailments or so many physical problems, we will not have a sound mind. So what we have to do is we have to be physical all the time. So the good thing we can do is we can have a morning walk or evening walk at least 30 minutes a day so that we will feel relaxed. And if we are under stress, we can't do anything. Of course, it's very visible from the person. Those who are feeling stressed, we can easily notify from their face itself. So be active, go physical, so that it will enhance your energy levels. The next point what you have to think in mind is to practice gratitude. Always be grateful. Even if you are having so many good things in life, like you have ears to listen, you have eyes to see, you have legs to walk, we still complain that we don't have this much things in life. Always be grateful to the Creator for giving all these blessings. Whenever possible, you have to say thanks to those who are helping you. So be grateful towards others. Don't be jealous of others' blessings. If we show gratitude only, we will get something more. So the last point what I have to say is learn to forgive. That is, hatred, jealousy, gossiping, all are low-level energy frequencies. If we hold these frequencies, we can never raise our energy levels. So it is important to practice forgiveness. If we are focusing somebody, or if we are complaining somebody, only one finger is focused towards that. All other fingers will be focusing us only. So that you have to keep it in mind. So better forgive all. So today onwards, what you have to do is keep focus on the positive sides. Okay, you have to think this in your mind. Focus on what you want. Okay, dears. Thank you for watching, and till we meet next time. Take care.